Welcome back, guys. Today we're unlocking your wealth potential. I've got 7 essential steps that can help you pave the way to financial freedom, no matter where you're starting. And these strategies are your key to success. So let's get started on your journey to financial empowerment. First, if you'd take a second, please go ahead and thumbs up today's artwork. Okay, welcome back to Brighten-Up-Sunshine. Let's get right into it. Let's talk about step 1. It is to set clear financial goals. Think about what you want to achieve in the next year, maybe the next 5 years, or even the next decade. Whether it's saving on a house, starting a business, or building a retirement fund, I want you to write down your goals, and make them tangible. Create a vision board or use a journal to keep track of your aspirations. Your goals are the roadmap to your financial journey, so keep them in your sight. Now, number 2, I want you to create a budget that works for you. Okay, get the calculator, get a notebook, pull up some coffee, because it's budgeting time. Create this budget that works for you. Track your income and your expenses to see where your money is actually going. Use tools like apps that simplify the process. Remember, budgeting is about restricting yourself. Oh, no, absolutely not. It's about making your money work for you and you not working for your money. Now, here's a quick tip for you. Try the zero-based budget approach where every dollar has a purpose. And this will help you gain control and allocate your funds where they matter the most. Let's go to step 3. Build an emergency fund. Now, I want you to visualize that you have an emergency fund that's being filled with cash. Let's visualize, maybe it's a jar. Like my grandma used to have like this old jar and she'd stick all the coins in it. So maybe that's how you build your emergency fund. But you want to start somewhere. So you build this emergency fund, and the game, or shall I say the aim of the game, is to have at least 3 to 6 months worth of your living expenses. And if you did the budgeting, which you should have, you'll know what that is, to protect yourself from financial challenges. You want to start small and set monthly saving goals until you reach your target. So for example, every time I get paid, $10 goes into this jar, something like that. So you get $1,000 and then 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. An emergency fund is your actual safety net, giving you peace of mind and preventing financial stress. Let's go to step 4. Start investing early. A young person investing on a smartphone or a laptop or whatever it is with the Cash App, with Vanguard, or even with your 401k. You need to get started. It's crucial. Start investing early. Take advantage of compound interest by beginning your investment as soon as possible, whether through retirement accounts, like I said, 401ks, IRAs, or investing in stocks. The earlier you start, the more money usually grows. Even small contributions add up over time. Do not underestimate the power of consistency. Let's go to step 5. Diversify your income. Now, diversifying your income, like your side hustles, your rental income, your dividends, your 9-to-5 job. Diversifying your income streams, explore those side hustles, freelance work, and passive income. Options like rental properties or stocks. Having multiple sources of income not only boosts your earnings, but also provides financial security. So think of all the ways you could do. How many dogs could you walk today? How many times could you deliver something today for somebody and get paid for it? What can you do? Think outside the box because you have unique skills and they can open doors to new opportunities. Step number 6, continually educate yourself. A person reading books or attending online seminars about finance and continually educating themselves about personal finance and investment, well, they'll use that knowledge, and knowledge is your greatest asset. Go ahead, read the books, listen to the podcasts, and attend the workshops to stay informed. The more you know, the more you earn, the better decisions you can make. Join financial literacy programs or online courses, like from Udemy, to go ahead and go deeper in your understanding. Every bit of knowledge will empower you. Education. Educate yourself. Network and seek mentorship is step number 7. Now, people who network, the more people you know, usually the more you can earn. So, step 7 is to network and seek mentorship. Surround yourself with people who inspire you and share your goals. Attend networking events or connect with mentors who can guide you on a journey. Their insights can be invaluable. Your network can actually open doors to opportunities you never imagined. There's an old saying, your network is your net worth. So we do become what we hang out with. Do not hesitate to seek out network with people who can inspire you. And we have the technology today to do this without even being with them. Just by watching them, people who inspire us and we can learn from, like educators online. So if you found these steps helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for today's artwork, and watch more empowering content on our channel. Share your financial goals that you have in the comments, and let's support each other on this journey to financial success. Thank you guys for joining, and remember, the sun always rises. Stay tuned to Brighten Up Sunshine. See you in the next video.